Now we're doing an independent samples t-test. The instructions here are a little bit different. So you have data already, and if you notice, this is data that you have seen before. So in my SPSS, I'm going to enter the data. So click on Variable View first. Remember, you have specific codes for sex and marital status. Okay, but one thing you'll notice is that you have to change your age variable. So in this particular study, you have hypothesized that younger individuals will have lower math scores than those who are older. And then we have an operational definition here for what we mean by both younger and older participants. So those 25 or younger are considered young participants, and those 26 or older are considered our older participants. So what we have to do is recode this age variable, and there's different ways you can do it. You can go in for all 23 participants that you're going to enter and manually change it, or you can go to transform and you are recoding into the same variables, and we're looking at age. And what you can enter every possible value here. So this would be 25, and we're going to code that for 1. So 1 is younger participants, and we'll do 2 for older participants. 24 is 1. 23 is 1, and so on, all the way to 18, which I think is the youngest age you have on here. And then for 2, you would start at 26 and 2 and go all the way to the highest. And the data I've entered, both 35 and 40 are included. So that has now changed this age variable so that I have defined both younger and older participants. So in this example, we think that there is a difference in math score based on age. So I'm going to go to Analyze, Compare Means, and this is an independent samples t-test. My grouping variable is age, and I just defined it as 1 for younger participants and 2 for older participants, and we're particularly interested in their math exam scores. I also want to make sure that the confidence interval is correctly selected. So hit OK, and it will give you the test results. Make sure that you look at your p-value first, which indicates if it's significant or not. In this example, our significant value is 0.21. Remember, it has to be 0.05 or lower for there to be a significant difference. We also have our t-value here, our degrees of freedom. Our 95% confidence interval is right here. And then both the mean and standard deviation for our variable is entered right here. Now in this example, there is not a standard deviation for those who are younger, and that's because I only entered 1. Once you enter all 23 participants, you will have mean and standard deviations as well as a standard error for all of your variables.